Namaste everybody, welcome to my channel. From the top of the tower, h meter high, the angle of depression of two objects which are in line with the foot of the tower are alpha and beta. Beta is greater than alpha, find the distance between the two objects. Now I have taken this figure. In this figure, let B and C are the objects and the distance between B and C is x meters, and then the distance between the object B and the foot of the tower be x plus y meters. Let the height of the tower be h meters, and we need to find out the distance between the two objects, that is we need to find out what is x actually. Let us start. We have the two triangles here. Let us start with the first triangle, triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, we know that angle D is equal to 90 degrees. Since it is making the angle with the ground, the tower is making the angle with the ground, so it is 90 degree. Now in this case we have the opposite and adjacent. Opposite is h, so we can take the ratio tan alpha is equal to opposite is AD divided by BD. Now tan alpha will be equal to AD is nothing but the height of the tower, which is h, and BD is nothing but x plus y. So tan alpha is equal to h by x plus y. Now we need to find out h will be how much? H will be equal to x plus y into tan alpha. We are cross multiplying it. Let me take this as equation 1. Now we have the next triangle, that is tan beta, from the triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, again angle D is equal to 90 degrees, so tan beta will be equal to opposite AD by CD. Now AB by CD is equal to, that is AD is nothing but h and CD is equal to y. So tan beta is equal to h plus h by y. Now h here, in this case h will be equal to y into tan beta. So let me take this as equation 2. From these two equations 1 and 2, we can equate them because both are equal to h. Things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. Therefore, x plus y into tan alpha is equal to y into tan beta. Now next what we can do, we can multiply this. We can multiply here the terms x into tan alpha plus y into tan alpha is equal to y into tan beta. Now therefore x tan alpha will be equal to y tan beta minus y tan alpha. I have transposed this y tan alpha to the right side. Now y is common factor, so we can write tan beta minus tan alpha into y. Therefore x will be equal to what? Y by tan alpha into tan beta minus tan alpha. Now we need to find out x value in this case. So how do we do this? We have to find out what is y from this equation 2. Y is equal to h by tan beta, that is I have cross multiplied it. So y is equal to h by tan beta. Let me substitute that in this equation. X will be equal to h by tan beta into, already we have tan alpha, into tan beta minus tan alpha. H by tan beta into tan alpha into tan beta minus h by tan beta into tan alpha here into tan alpha. Now tan beta and tan beta get cancelled. Here tan alpha gets cancelled. So we have h by tan alpha minus h by tan beta. So this is our value of x, the distance between the two objects. Now still we can simplify this further. How do we do this? H into tan alpha can be written as cot alpha minus h into tan beta can be written as cot beta, because they are cot alpha and cot beta are the reciprocals of tan alpha and tan beta respectively. X is equal to, we can take common factor h, then cot alpha minus cot beta. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again. Yes, I have left here meters. So this is the distance between the two objects in meters.